So after I didn't come up here because it said it was closed, not one freaking inch of this has been closed so far. Could have done the whole thing all the way down, all the way back. But you know what? I kind of am, and a little bit more. I'm doing this whole one. I'm gonna go all the way up to Cumming and come back down, and then we're done for today. It's just beautiful out here. What a great day. Look at this, beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Going to the end. Oh, you guys are still on. I thought I turned you off. Sorry. Yeah, we're going to the end. We're almost to the end. We might as well. My legs are a little bit jello-y. I've been pedaling a little bit more than I thought I was going to do. I mean, I'm out here to exercise. I'm not out here to be a dadgum. This section contains steep grades and sharp curves. Caution ahead. All right. We don't have much left on this part. I'd like to go to the end and a little bit more. I think we're going to. We got one bar gone. If I let go, it's still here. So we got plenty of battery as far as that's concerned. Like I said to y'all, you do not want to be pedaling this bike when it's empty. Check it out. Little wall. That's for the whiz. She loves toys. Apparently there's some steeper grades here. Oh yeah, compared to, this does go up. Thank you, electricity. Holy crap. Sawtooth Pass. Look at this thing. Straight up. Oh, wait. I hit it on the hardest setting. Stupid. Whew. Holy cow, Batman. Wow. Not undoable without some electricity there. Not in this bike anyway. We got another hill here. Let's go. Let's go to the end. We're doing this so far, so we gotta walk it, we'll walk it. Woohoo! 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 See how far we can get up it. Y'all ready? Ooh, the momentum helped. We're almost there. Yeah, boy. Nice. Nice. I killed the battery in a little bit more. I mean a bar and a little bit more. Oh, yeah. Beastly. That's all I can say. That was beastly. Whew. Burn down legs. Ouchie. Sorry, I swallowed a bug. Whoa, about to pass our road. That's that for today.